Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you where you can find Adobe Acrobat. So first you have to go to your browser and you have to write here Adobe Acrobat download, and then you'll find here get.adobe.com. Click on this and you can see that Adobe Acrobat download reader, and here is the Adobe Acrobat reader. You have to uncheck this one and click on download. Okay, after download you have to go to the file location and then double click and install it in your device. I have already installed it, that's why I can show you. All you have to just install it in your device and you can use it uh, after you purchase a subscription per month. Okay guys, so this is how you can do this. Guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.